Okay, guys, we are going to trade in less than 1 hour. We're going to be trading from $2,000.55 to about 4,000. That's our goal. So the magic is going to begin now, and we're going to be using the 1-minute scalper. Of course, we have many other strategies that we're going to be applying. So welcome. Before we start, let's put a disclaimer. Whatever I'm going to show you here, guys, it's very risky. You can only do this with the money you can afford to lose. If you can't afford to lose it, don't do it. We all know that. So are we all ready? Okay, let's begin. Whatever I'm going to share with you is not professional or investment advice. We're just sharing our experience in the Smart Wolf Club. That's what we do. And we have a lot of coaches from all over the world. Tajimoto from Tokyo, Japan, over 20 years. Mr. Baker from Atlanta, Georgia. So we are waiting for 9:30. It's 1 minute to go. And I'm going to share my screen so you guys can see what I am doing. The previous live, I was told that the screen was not shared until much, much later. So I am really sorry about that. So I'm going to put myself at the bottom. There we go. It's 9:30, guys. So let's see what NASDAQ is doing. You can see the first candle is printing there. That's the 9:30 candle right there. This is a 5-minute time frame. So we're going to wait for the 5-minute candle to break, and then we're going to print it out. But we also employ other strategies. You guys know what we do, right? We also employ other strategies. Okay, so there we go. So if we look at, let's look at the daily and see what happened yesterday. If you guys want to know. There we go. So this is the daily. You can see the daily candle. This was the daily candle here yesterday. Okay, so let's just go back to our 5 minutes. And there we go. Let's stretch this up. And I like to have these two moving averages, simple moving averages. Okay, guys, we can see we're getting a huge bar there. Okay, so the first 1 minute is done. You can see that's the first 1 minute is done there. We're getting a massive, massive bar going down. That's the first 1 minute. There you go. It is going down. It is going down. Whew, it is going down. We can sell that for. We sold it. Let's put a stop loss here. We are using the free flow color change 29178. No take profit. We jumped in. Okay, it's coming back. It's probably going to take us out. All right, let's see. So the account, guys, was 2055. So it was 2055.69, but just because of that trade, we have a negative there. Ooh. Oh, it took us out, guys. Wow. It took us out. And now it is going even further. Crazy, 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 crazy. It is going further. Crazy, crazy. Crazy, crazy. That was a 2-minute bar. It was going crazy. All right, so let's see where the 2-minute, the free flow color change, not a joke. 2-minute bar. We are still waiting for a 5-minute. We're still gonna do our breakout, retest, trade. Let me remove this. What do we have here? Let's move that. Here we go. All right, so that's the 2 minutes. Let's go to the 2 minutes bars. Let's see what's going on. Okay, there you go. You can see that's the first bar printed. The second bar is printing now. The second bar is printing now. It's going down. It's going down. Second bar is going down. It is going down. It is going down. The second bar is going down. Okay, there we go. Second bar is going down. We are in. We're going to close that. I closed it to see if we got back yet. Nope, we didn't get back yet. All right, so we're going to go further down. Okay. This is the scalping, and we're gonna put our stop loss right above that candle that we entered, 29,161. Should have a stop loss, definitely. Okay. We don't want to give that up. We're going to let this continue. We're going to let it continue. Let's see what's going on there. Okay, it's coming up. So it's changing directions. We are almost coming to the 5 minute. Okay, so we have our stop loss already set up there. We're going to have to give this up, I think. Yep, there you go. It took us out again. And woo, that was big. All right, so the 5 minute is almost done. Didn't work. The free flow color change didn't work for us. So let's go back to the 5 minutes. Okay, so the first 5 minute is done. There we go. That's the first 5 minutes. So we're going to mark the first 5. So the free flow color change didn't work for us. In fact, it handed us a nice L. Lost a big chunk of the account. This is our training account. Our student allows us to do this. He is learning how to trade, this guy. If you don't know the story, go watch some of our lives. So he said the script was very simple. So now we have marked the top of the first 5 minute bar. We marked the top and the bottom. Okay. We marked the top and the bottom. Okay. And now we are going to, if you look at the 2 minutes where okay, there we go. So this is how the 2 minutes look. So we're going to go down to the 1 minute. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars. And this is where we are now. So we're going to wait for a breakout, a retest, and then we're going to enter the trade. Okay, so you can see where we are now because of that. Free flow color change strategy didn't work for NASDAQ. So we gave up almost, so starting from 2055.69, we are now at 1615. So we gave up about 400 in that small account with that span of what, how many seconds? Just a few seconds. Okay. And it is Friday. Friday is very volatile and crazy. So I know a lot of our coaches don't even trade on Fridays. They don't trade on Mondays and they don't trade on Fridays. Most of them trade Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. But since we are into a training mode, so you guys can actually see what's going on here. So we do have the high and the low of the 5 minute candle. Okay, so this is the first 5 minutes. We mark the top and the bottom, and then we're going to wait for a breakout and the retest, and that's when we are going to enter the trade. Okay, so right now you can see it's kind of pushing to go to the bottom. So if we get a breakout, a candle closing at the bottom, we're going to wait for that pullback. Okay, there we are. We're getting our first breakout. Okay, so we're going to wait for a retest, and we're going to jump on this. Okay. Oh, it's a big one. You can see it's a big bar. Okay. It's a real big bar going down. We jumped late there. We're going to put our stop loss. We didn't wait for the retest. We just went for the free flow. We're going to put our stop loss right here. That's 29,087. 29. Zero. It's very, very volatile. You can see it's extremely volatile here. 29. The volatility is just crazy, crazy. Wow. Did we get a retest? And we are going aggressive, okay? If you look at the lot sizes we are using a one lot size for a very tiny account, so that's extremely aggressive. And we are doing it purposely to test the resolve of our student, okay? Because he said he wants to go very aggressive. So we're gonna do our aggression here. Okay, so there we go. Let's see what we have. Are we getting a retest? Yes. This is a pullback. Let's see if the next candle is red. Okay, no, that's coming inside. I think there's a rejection there. Okay, so there is a rejection. It slows down a little bit. Okay, it's coming back. I wanted to consider that a pullback, breakout pullback, but it looks like it's coming inside. It's coming up, actually. It's going up. So this has been rejected, but we are getting a follow through for the green bar. Okay, so it's literally going to the opposite. Oh my goodness, there we go. Let's see what happens here. It has rejected this breakout at the bottom and it is going to the opposite. Our margin is very, very small. We don't want to be margin called at this level. Oh my goodness. Hello. Okay, we can turn this off. So there was a breakout. You can see the breakout here, guys. And then there was a kind of a retest. However, this thing shot all the way in here. And now it's coming back down. So I'm not sure whether this is just the retest or it's going to decide to go to the upside. But you can see where it is now. It's coming all the way down. It's rejecting here again. So let's see what happens. This is how the market looks like right now. We are almost coming to the 15-minute. We do also play the 15-minute breakout. Ooh, the thing has frozen. At risk right now is over $300 that we could easily lose. That's going to bring the account very, very low. Okay. But we are staying there. We are just looking at this market. Okay, it breaks even. We could close this. Okay, it's going and going. It is going and going. Going down, coming back, going down, coming back. The volatility is crazy. That's why some people stay out of the market until 10 o'clock. This is the reason, because of that crazy Friday volatility. You can see that. Yeah, so we just see what happens, because we did see a breakout at the bottom, but it immediately came back. And it is seriously going back. They do say cut your losses early. We didn't cut the loss, so that can cost you a lot of money, guys, okay? And there's one thing we didn't do. We didn't say a prayer. So let's say a word of prayer in the belief of Power Mighty. We pray that the markets be good to us. We pray that those who are here trading with us today, they may be successful, make money. We pray that those who are going to follow our strategies may also be successful. We pray and believe this in the name of the Power Mighty. Amen. Guys, we all need some help. We need luck on our side too, because the market is not a joke. You can see that. You can do everything. You can analyze. You can have your thesis. but the market can just come and hand you something really serious. Okay, so I think they have rejected that going up, going down. They are coming back up, and I think fairly bullish. Look at where we are, man. Look at the account. It's obliterated. Yeah, it looks bad. It looks bad. It looks really bad. Very aggressive trading. I mean, from a $2,000 55 account to down to 1,300. That means you've given up like 700 already. In what? In less than few minutes. Okay, and the way it looks is like more of a surging to the upside. Let's see, it's surging to the upside, and it is crazy moving up to the upside. It's surging to the upside. It is surging to the upside. Okay, so we're going to put our stop loss somewhere. We're going to need to have a stop loss. Where did we enter the trade? We entered the trade where here. So we're going to have our stop loss here at the top. And our take profit should be at least a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2 or a 1 to 1. We're going to go for a 1 to 1 here in this case because this is so crazy. We're going to just target this bottom here, 28,986. 28. Okay, let's put the stop loss first. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to have the tech stop loss right there, 29,150. Come on, let's go, let's go. I'm going to put it at break even because it's given us a chance. Okay. It's given us a chance to go to break even. We did. Okay. Okay, it's still going. Nope, stopped. I'm still assuming it's going to go further. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm going to put it here. Okay, it took us out. It took us out at, we are back to 1984. All right, so we just need to recoup our loss now. Let's see, is that the end of that move? Oh, it's just a pullback. Let's see here. Okay, yep. It did come to our take profit. Guys, do you see our take profit was hit right here? And then we got this pullback to the top. Color change. This could just be a breather to continue to the bottom. So let's go to the 15-minute and see. Yeah, it did hit our take profit. Yep, so we are back here. The liquidity is, you can see that. Okay. All right, so now we are going up. We're going up. We're going to get into that. As soon as you enter, it comes down. Oh man, we're gonna have our take profit stop loss right here at okay. So that was just a breather to continue to going upside. Stop loss is at 2973. Let's see where stop loss should be right here. 29, this one here, 29042. 29042. That's our stop loss. Okay. Take profit is going to be up here, 29211. But we're going to let this run a little bit so we can see how far we can go with this. Okay, we're going to move the stop loss because it's given us a chance. We're going to move the stop loss to there. Oh, see, it's coming down, powerful. I'm going to put it down here, there. Okay, it's coming down so powerful. I think that was just a minor breather. And let's see, rejection. No, the sellers are just looming around here. There's liquidity here. And so this is scary moments here. Scary moment in prep to go down. Yes, I think it is going down. Yes, this was just a minor pullback. Reel you in, and then it's going to hammer you hard. The hammer is coming. Let's see. Yep, the hammer is coming back again for the liquidities that are here. That liquidity that is here. That hammer is coming for it. That hammer is coming for it. Okay, I do see a pullback though, but we are not done with that upward move yet. It's coming down even harder now. The hammer is strong. That hammer is strong. Yeah, continuation to the downside. Okay. You have to be patient with trading because the hammer is coming down very, very strong. You guys saw the breakout, retest, boom, gave us some. The FCC kind of killed us because we were overdrawn by almost 400. Okay. At some point, almost 700. You remember? It was like 13 something. Crazy, right? And then we did recoup with this breakout strategy here. Gave us about, and I told you we're gonna go just 1-to-1 because I could see how risky, volatile this is. So you don't want to be greedy. You don't want. We didn't want to go the 1-to-2 traditionally. That would have pushed us down here, and we would not get anywhere. So now I'm just hoping that we can break above this liquidity here. You see, there's a lot of liquidity here. These bars, all these things here at the top. And then we go to the upside. If we can go break up to the upside, then that would be interesting for us, okay? The upside would be very, very interesting, but it looks like not momentum. Okay, there we go. We just want this to go up. I can show you. I'll remove that so we can see what's going on here. You see this part here? There's already some liquidity inside the range itself here. People took trades here. So they're coming for that. Now, is this preparing for a breakout to the downside or to the upside? That's the question. Our indicators are not there anymore. Let me just have them. I like to have my moving averages. I like the two moving averages that I like most. Okay, let's go look at the trade. Okay, the trade is gone. Okay, the trade is gone. We are targeting this point here. Once we get here, we're going to close this. I'm going to move this at least halfway. So at least we don't lose anything there. You see, we're above like $400, but I'm hoping we can get, I'm thinking they will go up further to go and grab that liquidity. You see that up there? They may not. Because there is liquidity here. So I'm just thinking that they will go farther to this point here. We can set our take profit at, oh no, it's coming down. Okay, no, okay. All right, okay, let's see. Come on, go up. The goal is to go up, 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 up. You know why? Because if it goes up, it's gonna grab this money that's up here. But I don't think they are letting that happen. Okay, go, 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 go. We're going to secure this win by just putting the stop loss below that bar that just formed. Okay, so I moved my stop loss there, which might be an undoing for me, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm out. Okay. So let's see. Bam. There we go. Boom. Okay. 23.89. So we started at 20.55.69. We are now at 23.89. So that's $300 and some change up. All right, we are not done yet. This move is not done yet. Let's see if we can milk it even more. Okay, so I told you they're coming for this liquidity, but they're still continuing. Okay, now let's see. If we're going to get a breakout to the upside, okay, you see, they are actually coming for that liquidity. That would be our stop loss, I mean, our take profit right there. And now we're getting a reversal. Not done. Okay, let's go to the 15-minute. Let's mark the 15 minutes. Okay. We are done with this. Let me remove this drawing. The indicators will still be there. The first 15 minutes, 9:30. Where is the 15 minutes? No, 9:30. Here it is. You see that candle bar there, the red bar? That's the 15-minute right there. This one. This one here. Started from there, went all the way down there, and boom. That's the 15-minute. There we go. That's the 15-minute. There you go. Boom. That's the 15-minute right there. Okay. And we go down to 5 minutes. And then you guys can see where we are right now. So this is where we are right now. So we're going to be waiting for a breakout or retest on the 15-minute open range. So these bars are 5 minutes each. But we marked 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was the high of the 15-minute, okay? This was the high and the low of the 15-minute. And now we attempted to break out at the bottom. We couldn't. We came back. We attempted to break out at the top. We couldn't. We came back. So now we are in this crazy range over here. You can see how it is behaving, okay? So playing the FCC, we could be in the trade to go down, okay, because it's coming down. You can see, so it's going to come down to take this liquidity here. They're coming for this, and I think once they grab this, they're going to go up, hopefully. Either they're going to grab this and go up, or if they go past this, then they're going to be landing, they're going to be following this liquidity at the very bottom right here. I don't think they want to do that. I think they're going to grab this one here. Yes, they'll grab that quickly, which they did. They've just done that. You can see that. They're going to do it now. Boom. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. So They have grabbed the liquidity that is here. So let's see if they're really hungry, they're going to go for the liquidity way, way down here. And I think we can jump on that one. Okay, so now let's see what the plan is. Whew. If the plan is to go this way, oh man, the plan is to go down. Nope, rejection. I will scale this down to 50, the 0.5 lot size, because now we're getting into risky trades. Okay, after your first two trades, you're just going to get into risky trades. Okay, so that, yeah, I think that has been rejected. I don't think, yeah, that has been rejected. Yeah, they realize they'll be giving up too much. Look at all this all the way down. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it seems like they're willing to go the 9 yards. Oh, right away was rejected. No, take profit down here. Our take profit is going to be down there. I'm going to put a stop loss very close, tight. Again, I don't want to put it too tight, because too tight, you can see how these things are screaming all over the place. We're going to get out as soon as it gets to this level here. I'm going to put the take profit at 29. 0, 29. No. Oh no, it's coming back. Yeah, I think that has been rejected. The plan has been rejected. I'm thinking they want to go for this liquidity down here, but it doesn't look like. I think that plan has been rejected. They realize too many people have jumped in. Oh my goodness. Yep, that plan has been rejected. And now we are up for the races to the upside. Or maybe just taking a breather and go further down. Reel us in, reel us in. That's what it does. Get you guys in, interested. Let me look at it. Okay, yeah, that plan has been rejected. They have rejected this plan, because I was thinking they were going to come for this. Maybe not so much liquidity here. Yeah, I was thinking they'll come for this, but instead they are shooting up to the upside. They're shooting up to the upside. My thinking was they are going to break down here, but it looks like they're shooting to the upside, man. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't work the way you want it to. Yeah, they're shooting to the upside, shooting to the upside. Okay, let's see. They may still go down. Cut your losses sooner. Somebody says, cut your loss. Nope. That's a lot. That's a lot of real estate that we have given up. 200 and something back. Let's see. Let's see. It's called scalping, man. It's a scalping strategy. Let's bite an apple while we see this. Wow, that's crazy. It's gone up so high. This candle will close in 2 minutes. It has gone up so high. It's unbelievable. Okay, it's coming down now. But we still have about a minute and a half to go. This is a crazy candle here. Come on, we want you to close below here. So we know there's a breakout to the downside. But it wouldn't do that, man. The buyers are so strong. Look at that. Look at this. Look at the wick at the top. My goodness. It's a hammer. Okay, come on. Just stay red. It flipped red and then it says, no, I don't want to be red. Oh my goodness. Now it's pumping. Come on, go down and be red. That's all I'm saying. Just close. Oh my God. They don't want it to be red at all. Somebody with a lot of money doesn't want this to happen. Some institution, probably billions of dollars at stake here. They're not giving up this liquidity. No way, no way. Now it is actually going up. We're going to just be patient. We're going to chill and see what happens here. If we blow the account, that's fine. It's a training account, training account. Okay, so if we blow the account, you guys have learned something. Okay. That never go aggressive on a day like this. Don't be too aggressive. You will cry. Okay, come on, man. We want you to break down here. You're red, which is good. We want you to go further down. No, they're not going down. The buyers are just, oh my goodness. The sellers are being overpowered like quickly. Look at that. Look at that. Can you guys hear me? Yeah? Today, you know, in 1 hour trading, we're only going to spend about an hour here. We trade between 9:30 and 11. It's a live 1 minute scalper, guys, in action. If you're going to miss this live, just go and watch the replay on YouTube in a Smart Wolf Club channel. Subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you share this with your buddies, okay? Because you're going to learn a lot from this channel, okay? So you guys can see where we are now. I think we are going to prepare for a boom, powerful move to the downside. I think so. So we are just collecting all your. We are reeling you in here. We just want you guys to make your stop losses, whatever. Excuse me, whatever. Guys, I always bite apples when I'm trading. I trade between 9:30. Okay, so I'm biting an apple. I just don't want it to go above, way above. I don't want it to escape this. Okay, so we are about 190 down here, 170. I get worried. I'll be concerned if we, okay. You see, this is where we are, 2377. Actually, we were at 2389. And then, of course, we took that trade. I don't want to give up more than 300, okay? Because then we'll be less than where we were the other day, okay? So I'm just, I believe this is just to reel you guys in, okay? Put your take profits, stop losses in, get in thinking that it's going to the top or it's going where. It's just wants you guys to come in, and then it's going to go ballistic on you. Like now, I think it's going to go ballistic on us. It's going to go to the upside now. Oh my goodness. Yep, it is going to the upside. Let's see where it is. Yep. There was no breakout. They didn't close below the range, and now they're going stronger to the upside. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. See, that's where it is. This is 2-minute bars. Let's look at the 15-minute here and see. The 15-minute opener was this one here. No, it was this one. It was a red bar. The 15-minute opener was a red bar. Okay. And then it came down. It didn't really break down. close there, it moved right inside. So sometimes that happens. You start with a red bar and then the market becomes bullish. It goes all the way up. And NASDAQ right now is down. You can see from open, it's about minus 154. So we could just be playing a cat and mouse game here, trying to get us in and then hammer us to the downside. That's very, very possible. Let me have this. I like to have my, okay, so inputs here. Input is 20, simple moving average type. And then we're going to make this blue, make it a little thicker so my old eyes can see it. There we go. Bring another indicator. Is the same one we use, the simple moving averages, just to give us the market direction. We're going to go 220 and 200. I like to have those on the chart. My computer is freezing now. I can't see what's going on. Wow, we've given up over 300, guys. Yeah, this is crazy. So are they coming up back for this now? Yeah, it looks like they're coming back for the upside instead of the downside. Scalpers, we're in danger. Instead of it going down, it is now going up. Yeah, it's decided up is upward forever, downward never. And we have our entry point down here. Look at all this real estate that we've given up. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, now you got that. Okay, let's see. Are you going to go down now? You already grabbed this, all this liquidity here. Are you going down now? Oh, you want this? Wow. We're going to have to counter that massive move in a way so we can reclaim our losses. Look at that. Did you guys see that? The candle just comes, wow, whacks everybody out. And then it continues to the top. It came down here, whacked everybody. And now it's going to continue to the top. Yeah. Yeah, we scaled it down to 0.5 instead of the one lot size we're using in the beginning. So that one lot size gave us a big L in the beginning because it's a big amount, okay, for a small account like this. Okay. So now we are going to the top. Yep, we decided to jump in. Okay. We're going to wait until they go further. Wait. Yep, I think once they get to the top of that, they're going to come down crashing. The high of the day. Okay, there we go. There you go. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Okay. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. You got it. Okay, it's coming down quick. So we got out. Okay, I'm logged off. Let me sign on my student's account here. This is our training account where the ugly, the good, we do everything. We show you everything. We trade, we lose, we win, we go crazy on, you can see now, because of that loss. Because of this trade here. And our margin, we got to pay attention to our margin. Let me see what's going on here. Okay, so we've broken to the top side. Okay, so we're going to wait for a retest. This is a 15-minute. We've broken to the top side. We are waiting for a retest. If the retest occurs, we jump in. Okay, so we're going to wait for a retest. I went down to the 1 minute. How is our margin? Okay, looks like we are getting the retest right there. Let's see how far this goes. Okay, there we go. And if it touches that and it starts going up, we're going to jump in. Okay, that's even further than I expected. Rejected. No, I wouldn't consider that a retest because the bar is green. Just a continuation to the upside. Wow, that ran away from us. We're going to let it come crashing down. See if it will give us a nice retest. Let's put 5 minutes here. Let's see what we have on the 5 minutes. It's still green. Okay. Is that the 15 minutes? Let's mark the 15 minutes. The first 15 minutes of the day was this one. Okay. So it's still the 15 minute down to the 5 minutes. So we are still green on the 5 minutes. That's why you can see all these bars here. Oh my goodness, you can see where we are now. We are like what, 1200? Yep, 1700. Okay, so we've given up a lot. We've given up about 1,000. All is not lost. We are waiting for our pullback or a reversal trade. We could have what we call a reversal. So we're still waiting for a pullback. We're waiting for this to come down. Here is the 1 minute and here's the 5 minute bars. The 5 minute bars are still green. You can see they're still green, still green, still pushing to the upside. But the momentum, you can see how big this was. The momentum has shrunk a little bit because we still have a lot of time to go. We still have about 3 minutes on this candle. So this candle is going to be big. Wow. Okay. It's cold. And the apple is cold. This came from the freezer. I mean the fridge. I bite apples every day when I'm trading. 1 apple a day. The numbers don't look good, guys. Look at that. It's a Friday. It's one of those days. Okay, we're going to let this fall down a little bit so we can cut off our losses. We don't want to cut it when it's up like this, but we let it come back to us. Okay, so the market is coming back. We can see it's coming down now a little bit. Nope, not really. There's so much power to go up. It was immediately stopped, and it is still going up. So we're going to just keep on looking. We take a licking. We keep on moving. All right, so we have how many minutes to go? Man, this bar is, we still have a few seconds to go, 9 seconds, and then we're going to see what the next bar is going to bring. This is a 5-minute bar right here. Okay, so, okay, it starts showing red. That's a good sign, but doesn't mean anything, because as soon as the red shows, what happens? The buyers they are so excited. Okay, here, let's put our moving average. This one was the 20. I didn't change the other one. The other one should be the 200. There we go. The 200. Man, this thing doesn't allow me. It's frozen. Okay, there we go. 200, and we put it red. So you guys can see where the market is. Upward trends. Oh, it didn't change the color. Okay, there we go. Where is it? Oh, there you go. It's all the way up here. So we are coming back to the 200. That's why there's such a power. You can see this is sending it all the way up here. 200 is facing down. So I think we're going to get a 200 halt probably, or we could get a change of trend. Cut through the 200. It's very possible too. Yeah, because they were fairly separated. So now it's getting closer. However, you can see what happens. Sometimes it goes up and then it starts coming down. So we could have that and then boom, starts going down that way. But you can see the 500 is still, I mean, the 5-minute is still showing an upward move. So we have a breakout to the upside. We don't have a retest and we don't have a reversal. But remember, the 15-minute candle that printed was a bearish candle, was a red candle, okay? So that doesn't mean anything, but in some cases, what happens is the market will still come back to, oh my goodness, what is our margin like? Oh my God, it's gonna clean the account. Look at our margin level. Margin level is very low. But I'm even glad that we lowered the lot size to 50.5 instead of the 1, because by now would have been obliterated. The margin call would have come long time ago. Right now, we're just tinkering on the brink of getting a margin call, which will cut this account into a half. Ah, okay. All right. Somebody says, yeah, it's coming. The margin call is coming. There is more power building here to prepare for an upside. I don't know how true that is. I tend to feel like we've come to the end of that run. We should get a reversal or some type of retest pullback, really. Yeah, because look at that run. These are how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next one should be a red candle. Well, sometimes you do get a lot of bars, but the market moves in terms of 3 to 5. No, they do say 3 to 5. It's a wide range, up to 10 candles. You could have up to 10 similar candles, but majority on average is 3 to 5. So we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are on our 5th candle. So we should see a color change. A color change to a bearish candle. And the bearish candle is going to give us some relief, because then, you know, it's going to bring this a little further down for me to decide whether to cut it off or to let it misbehave the way it's misbehaving. I'm kind of worried here because they're accumulating here. They could accumulate here and shoot to the top. or they could accumulate here and shoot to the bottom. But it looks like the plan might be to shoot to the top because they're accumulating here. What are they accumulating here for? They could be accumulating here to shoot to the top. All I want is them to come closer so I can cut off this loss and take a trade in the opposite direction. Let's see, are we getting any reversal sign? Nope, the 1 minuters are still here, showing up, upside, all going up. Okay, now they're kissing the 200. Okay, just go past the 200, engulf, and go further down. Clean this. If they clean this, then they're probably going to go down further. Okay. Ooh, they're shooting up already. Okay, there we go. A retest, a rejection there. I put a line here. If they go beyond this, then we might be, okay, there we go. Okay. We might be seeing some relief there. So we can sell this to the downside. Okay. Put our stop loss. I sold the 100. I'm going to put my stop loss right here at 29287. Okay, I'm going to put my stop loss there for that little breather. Oh no, it just comes right back. I mean, we should answer some of this, man. Okay, let's put it right at the top there. Give ourselves some breathing room. Okay, so we took a trade and we took a bigger one this time just to try and maximize our margin calls. Oh my God. Our margin is so small that worries me. Okay, so we are now selling. This is the trade that I just took. Okay, this one here. So we can actually show you guys what we took. It's a short position. I'm going to have this there. The take profit, I'm going to probably target the bottom of this. That's 29,047, 29,047, and it's this one here. 29,047. That's my take profit, and you can see it's down here. But we have this trade here that's killing us right here. So this is a trade you can take and go away. But the fact that I'm not going away is because of this. I'm trying to negate this 5. See, now I'm trying to reduce this loss from, if I can make it to 300, I'll be very happy. So at least we have where we started. We started at 2055, 2055 and 69. We went up to 2,389. And then now we are like, oh my goodness, I don't even want to say, maybe like 1,600. But today is a Friday. It's kind of horrible with the NASDAQ. You can see how NASDAQ is acting crazy. Okay, so now it's taking a breather. Okay, it's just a minor pullback, I think, to continue the move down. I could be wrong. Yeah, you can see. I consider that a reversal. There's a very minor breakout, not so much to the far side, but then now I don't know whether the take profit will just be here. Sometimes it just comes and touches this and it stops. But if it continues to the downside, that will be music to my ear because I'm targeting this side here as my take profit. But this could just be our only chance now to close these buggers. Okay, I'm gonna let it go further and I'm gonna close this trade. Oh no, it's going up. Oh no, yeah, I think that's it. That was our only chance. Just shot up. All right, so now we're gonna take even a more aggressive trade to the upside. Let's see, is that the retest? We got a retest. If it's a retest, yes, we go up. That will be a nice retest. Yep, that's a retest. We're not gonna wait. We're just gonna buy this. Okay. We're gonna buy the retest. We're gonna put our stop loss right here below that. 29. Margin is so narrow now. Okay, what's our stop loss? Our stop loss is right here where we entered. This is our stop loss right here. 29,174. Oh shit. You came back. 29,174. That's our stop loss. Considering if that's a retest. Yeah, I just want to see the difference here. If this is less than 200, I'm going to cut this. So at least we have something to talk about. That it's not 200 yet. I had an opportunity to do that here. I didn't because I was greedy. My thesis was telling me that it will continue to the downside. But I could be wrong. Okay, let's move this stop loss pretty close to this guy here. Let's gonna have it there. Minimize the damage because we have a 200, a 2 lot size here. Very risky trades, very aggressive that we took. Okay. There's a lot of resistance to go up for some reason. While I looked at it, my thesis was this is a retest. Of course, we have to wait for the candle to close. Like this is a breakout, retest, very nice, and then boom to the top. But that may not be the case. The fact that you can see we are below the 200s. Normally, when you're below the 200s, you'll be looking for short trades. They are less risky, but sometimes we call counter trading, and you can see the 20 is below, right here, facing up. That could be the reason why we are seeing this here. Okay, you can see these are just right here. Okay, so okay, it's pulling up. This is the 1 minute. You can see those bars going down now. Okay. Either way, we are secured. We have somewhat hedged our account. Hedge, you guys know what hedge is? Okay. hedged our accounts. This is what I'm looking at. About 200, I'll cut everything off, but it's 800 still. I'm not afraid to cut the losses, but I want this to be less. Okay, it's coming down. All right, it's going up now. Okay, it's going up. Ooh, it's gone up really big time. It's going up. Now it comes right back. It's 10:35 now. We stopped trading at 11. So whatever would be the case at 11, I'm going to have to cut this off. And then we will continue trading live again on Tuesday. And on Tuesday, we're going to strictly trade the breakout strategy. We're not going to do the FCC, the free flow color change, because you can see what happened today. All right, I think now we are going somewhere. This is not good. Yeah, NASDAQ is crazy. Instead of breaking out and going to either up or down, it decides to just linger here. You can see what it's doing. It goes up a little bit and boom. So we didn't have really a nice breakout, retest, and then the upside is not there. The upside is very tiny. I think the upside will come, but it's going to come at a massive cost to us. Yeah, the upside is going to come, but at a very, very dear price. It is slowly creeping up. So it came here. This was the breakout. You entered the trade, stop loss down here. You're still in the trade, but you can see where so if I remove this, I remove this drawing here. Okay, so you see this is the trade that's playing right now. Let's go over there, long position. So breakout, 15-minute, comes down. Okay, sorry, not that one. I didn't mean to do that. And then you're still in the, okay, so it's coming down very slowly though. It's gonna have to shoot all the way up there to get us it needs to shoot up here, get all this money that's sitting here for us to see a big change here. Margin level is very, very small. Our equity is very small right now. Yeah, if you look at this, Keep me signed in. If you refresh, you don't want to see the numbers. It's be pathetic. See, it's not good. Oh, now it's coming down. No, we need to go up, sir. We need to go up, sir. Ups, up, up, up. Yeah, up, like up, up. You know where up is? Like here. Target this liquidity over here. Let's look at the 5 minute. It's 1 minute. 5 minute. Okay, here. Yeah. So this is the play that's in place right now. This crazy play here, very slow right here. This is the play that's in place right now here, that one. And then a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. See where it takes you? Unimaginable numbers. There. If you zoom out, you're going to see NASDAQ has been there a long time, many times, okay? Even I think yesterday, NASDAQ was at that level many, many times. You can see that right there, that level, that day, Friday, actually this morning at midnight, London, that was Asian session. So Asian session, actually, we got to that, those highs. The highs, yeah, of the day. You can see the high of the day, actually. If you go to midnight, here you go. This is high, the high of the day. It's this one right there, this point right there. Actually, that's what we should be targeting, the high of the day. But I don't want to be that greedy. I'm just going to target a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. And I'm going to close all the other crazy stuff. If they bring this down to numbers that I like, I'm going to close the bad ones and leave the good one. We still want you to go up. Ooh, I don't want you to come and take this. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I shouldn't be even there. Close, that close. I don't want to be taken out of that trade. So I'm going to put a crazy stop loss. Enough to obliterate the account. Oh man, instead of going up, it is coming down. It's NASDAQ today, man. Where are the buyers? The buyers are taking a nap and the sellers are playing kiddish games. Oh my goodness. Look at this consolidation here. Look at the money here. So where is this money going to be dissipated? Is it going to be dissipated to the upside? I would prefer they take it to the upside. Oh man, they're showing strength to the downside instead of upside. Yeah, that's what it looks like. All right. It's 10:42, guys. We're gonna have to cut these guys out by 11. So yeah, I'm gonna cut some of these guys out by 11. Did we have a take profit? Okay, where is our take profit? Take profit is right here. Did we put it? Let me write it down just in case. In case I go away. 29,376. No, this is our take profit here. 29,376. That's what our take profit is for this buy here. 29,376. And I'm still hopeful that we'll get there. Yep. Do we have a take profit for this one here? Oh, this was a bad one. Oh, oh, that was. Oh, what did I just do? I moved something. No, you don't want to be taken out that quickly. What's the stop loss for that buy? We need to put the stop loss for that buy. The stop loss for that buy is this one here. 29,175. It does seem like NASDAQ is going down. 29,175. Is that what we have? We have 29,199. They want it at 29,175, just below, a notch below this. Yeah, look at this. Whatever is going to come out of this is going to be something serious, okay? Because there's so much accumulation here, liquidity that has been accumulated here. So I think they're going to go boom down, collect it, and then boom up. So this boom down could be our advantage, because then maybe we can cut off some of these crazy ones that are here. Like there's one here which is just 53 or 20. Wow. Is that exactly what I said? I think so. They're just coming to collect that and then boom to the upside. Or it could be they're collecting that on their way down, because these are now positive. All right. I think I'm going to cut that. I cut that so I can leave the two big ones that are really causing me headache. Oh, was that a mistake? I think it's going down hard like that. Yeah, I think it's going down. Oh no. Oh no, it's going down really, really hard. It says taken equally. It doesn't allow me to do that. The margin is so small. Okay, it's shooting up now. But that's not enough. Okay, did it get all the liquidity here? Yes, I'm thinking that's what they did. They come for that liquidity and then continue to the upside. But man, they're becoming too close to my comfort. So we have a big buy trade here with a 2.0 lot size, and we have a sell trade that's killing us. That's a 0.5. We took it down here. And I don't want to close this account at this level right now, because look at the equity. The equity is so small. It will have killed us by almost $700. Actually, 800, because, oh no, yeah, this is bad. Really, really bad. Yeah, they're coming down, and they're coming down fast and aggressive. Oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna let the pullback take place, and then I'm gonna close this trade. I think I'll have to close this big trade first. Yeah, I'm gonna have to close this trade at a very disadvantage. Guys, that's what happens with trading. Some days they're just horrible. Yeah, the thesis doesn't work anymore. Look at that. is still going further down. I think they're coming for everything that's down here. Everything that's down here, they're coming for it. You see all this liquidity here, they're coming for it. Let's look at the charts. Yeah, you can see they came right back for that. And oh, there you go. Broke out, came down, didn't do really nothing, comes down again. It's still kissing that. It's still kissing this. It's still kissing the range. And now it is going down. Yeah, because the 200 is very powerful. The 200 is pointing down. The 20 is come closer now. So I think now we are headed down now. Oh, we are headed down. Okay, boom. There we go. Lost the account. And that's it. We lost our margin. We lost so much equity because of that big trade there. That's what they wanted. They got it. And now, let's go. Are we going to the upside now? Is it 11 yet? No, we have 9 minutes. So that's what happened today. We gave up a G. That's crazy. So now they're coming for these two. No, it doesn't allow us to sell anymore because of the margins. You can see it's pushing down. All right, so we are here. We're going to be ending this at 11. So today we got an L. We got the initial L, then we had a win, and then now a big L. So the big L has kind of obliterated our account, cut it in half. It's a training account, so we know now what's going on. So we're just going to wing it. What is it doing? Color change. No, not a clear cut color change. If you go back to this, I came, broke out, retest, went up, came back, Okay, so it's going back again. Let's wait for a pullback. Okay, so it's going up. We're gonna buy that, going up. You can't buy that. He said no, too much. You don't have the margin. And it's being pushed down really quickly. It's the 20 moving average halt. So it has halted that move. Okay, so let's see what it's gonna do. If it goes above this 20, it might go further. We're getting a doji continuation of the trend. That is very weak. Or a change of direction. That's how trading is. Someday you're going to win big, someday you're going to lose. And then you have to come back strongly again and continue. So the best thing is to keep your risk low. We didn't do that. We were trading massive accounts for a small account, massive lot sizes. You can't even buy any of this now. The margin is too tiny. They're not allowing me to buy anything. Okay, they did allow me to buy something now. Only 50. Okay. As soon as I bought it, it came crashing. That's what happens. Just tiny buyers indicate that, oh, it's time to go back and take that liquidity. So these two trades are going to hedge each other. So we don't blow the account. But you can see the equity has gone down so much. That trade was a killer. The one trade that we had was a killer. And it literally took us back to where we were, yes, the other day, 400 and something. But you know, we can come back. We've done it many times. Yeah, you do it many times as a trader. Yeah, that trade was something else. We're getting big bars forming here. So we're just gonna let it play for now. We get out of the market. We let it play at 11 o'clock, 2 minutes from now. We're gonna shut this down. interruption. And let me share my screen and show you guys, because it's 11 o'clock now. Share entire screen. There we go. And I'm down here. So you can see where we are, 481. And we're going to come back strongly and push it back to where it was on the next time we're going to meet, okay? It's going to be a tall order, but we're going to do our best, guys, okay, to get it there, following one key strategy. You don't want to miss that strategy. We call it the recovery strategy, recovery mode. We're going to enter into a recovery mode again to try and get this back to 1600 and way forward to 2000 plus. Now, so what was the reason for our loss? We used very high lot sizes. We were super aggressive. And that's what happens on a Friday like this when the asset is extremely volatile. If you go super aggressive with high lot sizes, high risk, high loss, but with the potential of also making a high return. If it worked, we could have made a very high return. It didn't work. That means you get a very big loss. That's how it is, guys. So with that, I think I'm going to end this live, and then I'll see you guys next Tuesday at 9:30 a.m. where we're going to pick up the pieces from about this match 481, unless my student continues trading now until the end of the day. Today is Friday, so the market is closed over the weekend, but they open on Sunday. So my student may be practicing and continue trading under my help. But in the meantime, you guys can just relax, go through this live again so you can see where we made the mistakes so you don't repeat the same mistakes. That's why we're here. We are training and we are doing it live so you guys can learn and see the mistakes that we are making. So when we make the mistake, like my student is learning, if you make a mistake, you go in big, no stop loss, then of course your account is going to be obliterated, okay? Or if not really lost completely. We almost lost it. I can call this a major loss of the account. Account which we started at a very small account. We built it at a very small amount. We built it to about 2,000. And even earlier, I showed you a figure that was like 2,389. But then we entered these other trades here that really caused damage, okay? So we are still in those trades. They're still here, but I don't see them going either way. At the end of the day, I think we're going to be margin called, and they're just going to take whatever is there, okay? So that's why our liquidity, you can see our equity is very low. It's like 400 and something, but it's because of the accounting the losses that we have right now, okay? So if these losses turn out to be positives, then we still have a big balance, not a big balance, but a better balance on the account, not as it was before, you know. All right, so I think let's end it there. Let's end it with a power, asking you guys to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you're notified when we meet live. If you like this type of content, adrenaline, where you're trading and your stomach is full of butterflies, when you're about to just blow all your accounts, you can join us. This is called extreme aggression today. This was extreme aggression, and you don't want to do that on your real accounts, okay? Extreme aggression leads to total chaos, okay? Now, it can lead to a massive upside, but it's short-lived. So this is not something you want to do every day. I like to give you guys these lessons, and I like to give you guys practical lessons so you can see exactly what can happen to the market. The market is not forgiving at all. It doesn't forgive you, okay? So with that, guys, my student is learning, and you guys are also learning. I believe you're also learning a lot. So just come and join us again. And next time, we're going to be sticking to the rules, and you're going to see the difference. When you stick to the rules, when you follow a proper risk management, safe hunt, we call them. We have 3 types of hunts. I can bring it up here really quickly if you guys, yep. Let me see. Actually, that's not, where is this? I have a Word document here. I like to save it right here so you guys can see it. I think it's this one. Where is it? There we go. So we have the safe hunt, we have the surgical strike, and the aggressive wolf. So today we'll maximize our aggressive wolf. We were super aggressive wolf because we even doubled, tripled the lot sizes. We even went to a 2 lot size on a $2,000 account. You can imagine that, okay? So you saw what a 2 lot size can do. It will take the entire account in a heartbeat, okay? So that's exactly what happened. You saw us trading without stop losses, even up to now, no take profit, no stop losses. You can see what that does to you, okay? So you guys are learning. You're getting practical lessons. My student is learning. This is a training account. So we are all aware of the risks. That's not, and you saw when we played it well, when we got it right, the account grows. When we get it right, the account grows. When we go aggressive, don't follow the rules, the account suffers. And that's exactly what happened, okay? So let's say what we pray and we end this. In the belief of Power Mighty, we pray that the markets be good to us. We pray that those who are going to apply these trainings and the future trainings may also be successful. We pray this in the belief of Power Mighty. Amen. Guys, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel, like it, like the videos, share these with those that you love so they can learn the bad, the good, and the ugly of trading. We are only just getting started. This is just Forex. We're going to go into crypto. We're going to go into automated trading. Like you can see here, we actually have a bot that is already trading. You see this thing here that says the script is read only. We do have a script here that can take trades automatically for us, okay? So you guys can come and join that, okay? So there we go. And yeah, that's how it is. That's life, okay? That's how it is right now. Okay. So I'll see you guys again on Tuesday for another live. Goodbye. We end the stream.